Hello everyone, welcome to Geeta's classes. In this video, I will explain you the topic of integers, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of integers. So, we will start with the integer line. I am making one integer line 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and so on. Left hand side +1, +2, +3, +4, +5. So now why I had started with integers line? Because many children had confusion in sign and the comparison numbers. So suppose for example, I am giving you one example, +3, other side -3. Now if you want to compare this number, +3 is bigger or -3 is bigger, so always positive sign is bigger than as comparison with the negative sign. So +3 is bigger than -3. Now suppose we have a number +2 -5. Now if here you compare the number, 5 is bigger than 2, but we have to compare with sign. Here in this side we have a positive 2 and the other side we have a -5. So always positive sign is bigger than the negative sign. So +2 is bigger than -5. Now suppose I am taking both the side numbers, -2, -3. Now -2 is bigger or -3 is bigger? Which one is bigger? -2 is bigger or -3 is bigger? Now both the side we have a negative sign. So here -2 is bigger than -3. Why -2 is bigger than -3? Because -2 comes before -3, comes first in the integer line and -3 comes afterwards. I mean to say कि integer line में जो नंबर जितना दूर होता है वो उतना छोटा होता है. In case of the negative sign, suppose -1, if we compare -1 and -4, so -4 is smaller than -1. If you compare -5 and -1, -5 is smaller than -1. If we compare 0 and -1, 0 is bigger than -1. Because माइनस साइन इंटीजर लाइन में जो नंबर फर्स्ट आता है वो बड़ा होता है और जो नंबर बाद में आता है वो उतना छोटा होता है. वी आर नॉट कंपेयरिंग द नंबर, वी आर कंपेयरिंग द साइन. सो दिस फर्स्ट रूल इज ऑफ इंटीजर्स. नाउ नेक्स्ट रूल, 2 प्लस साइन, प्लस and plus, always we are getting positive sign. Two positive sign, always we are getting a positive sign. For example, +6 +2, so we will get answer +8. Or +1 +3, we will get answer +4. In other case, suppose we are having a two negative sign, minus and minus. Now in case of two negative sign, we are doing addition but we are putting the sign of negative. For example, again -5 -3. So we will add this number, 5 plus 3 is 8, but we will put the negative sign. So it will become -8. So whenever we get the two negative sign, we are doing the addition but putting the negative sign with our answer. If you write only answer 8, you will get wrong. So our answer is -8. Whenever you are getting the two negative sign, you have to do add, you have to add the number and put the negative sign with that particular answer. Suppose one more example, -1 -2. Again you have to plus, 1 plus 2 is 3. But you have to put negative sign because in both the numbers we have a negative sign. So if you forget to put the negative sign, you will get wrong. So if you always two negative sign, we are doing addition, but we are putting the sign of negative, minus sign. Okay. Now suppose we have one negative sign and one positive sign. Negative sign and positive and negative sign. Example, I have a number plus 6 minus 3 or minus 6 plus 3. Now in case one positive sign and one negative sign, whenever we have one positive and one negative sign, we are doing subtraction. We are not doing addition. So 6 minus 3 is 3. But here we will compare the sign with the bigger number. So 6 is bigger than 3. So with 6 we have a positive sign. So we will write plus 3. So I had written the same number down, minus 6 plus 3. Again here we have one negative sign, one positive sign. Whenever we have one negative sign and one positive sign, we have to do the subtraction. So 6 minus 3 is 3. But again you have to compare the bigger number. Which sign we have? With bigger number we have a negative sign. So we will put minus 3. In this way, you have to compare the bigger number sign and you have to put that sign in your answer. So this is our addition and subtraction integers. Now multiplication integers. Suppose we are having plus 6 multiplied by plus 2. Again two positive sign. Two positive sign is always positive. So 6 2 12. We got answer 12. If you want to put plus 12, you can write other, you can write only 12 also. Same number suppose I am taking minus 6 multiplied by minus 2. In multiplication, you have to do multiply 6 into 2 again 12. But negative will become positive. Will convert into positive in multiplication integers. In addition and subtraction, if two negative sign we have, we are doing add, we are add that number and we are putting the negative sign. But in multiplication, that negative sign converts into a positive sign. Two negative sign will become plus. So our answer is only 12. We will not write minus 12. These are the rules of the integers. Suppose we are having minus 6 plus 2. Now here we have one negative sign and one positive sign. So whenever we have one negative sign and one positive sign, we are putting the negative sign. 6 into 2 is 12. So we got answer minus 12. Suppose we have plus 2 multiplied by minus 2 multiplied by plus 6. Again we have one negative and one positive sign. Again negative positive is negative. So we got answer minus 12. These are the rules of multiplication integers. Now the division integers. In division also we are following the same rule. Minus 6 divided by minus 2. So minus 6 divided by minus 2 you can write in this way also, in a fraction way also. Again in division also negative will become positive. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6, we got answer 3. Now suppose we have minus 6 divided by plus 2. Now minus 6 upon 2 plus 2. 2 1 ja, 2 3 ja 6, negative positive always become negative, we will get answer minus 3. Suppose you have number plus 6 divided by minus 2, again in the same way plus 6 upon minus 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, but the negative positive is negative, so you will get answer minus 3. So in multiplication and division, two negative sign will convert into a positive sign. have a number plus 5 minus 3. So two negative sign. Always remember, two negative sign if we are not having a number in between. See, plus 5 minus bracket minus 3. Here we are not having any number in between these two signs. So it will convert into a positive sign when we will open the bracket. So plus 5, when negative become plus 3. So we got answer plus 8. Suppose we have number plus 5 minus plus 3. Now here negative and positive will become negative, will convert into a negative sign. So plus 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 is 2. We got answer 2. Suppose I have a number minus 5 minus plus 3. Now minus 5. Now again negative positive will convert into negative. It will become minus 3. Now I am saying now ki two negative sign. Whenever we are getting the two negative sign, we are doing the addition but we are putting a negative sign in our answer. So 5 plus 3 is 8 but two negative sign will become minus 8. So we got answer minus 8. Suppose we have a number minus 5 minus 3. Now two negative sign will convert into a positive sign. So we will write number minus 5 plus 3. Now here minus 5 plus 3. One we have a negative sign, other we have a positive sign. Now whenever we are having a negative and positive sign, we are doing subtraction and we are taking the number, the number with the bigger number. So 5 minus 3 is 2. With 5 is a bigger number as compared with 3. So with 5 we have a negative sign. So we will put minus 2. So in this way we are doing the integers. Don't get confused in integers how to apply the sign. Many children are getting confusion how to apply the sign. Suppose I am doing example sums. Minus 3 minus 4 plus 5. Now again here minus 3 minus will convert into plus 4 and then plus 5. So minus 3, 4 plus 5 is 9 plus 9. Now minus 3 plus 9. We have a negative sign and positive sign. Whenever we have a negative and positive sign, we are doing subtraction. So 9 minus 3 is 6. With bigger number we have a positive sign. So we will write plus 6. So in this way we are applying the sign. So if you have any confusion in integers, please share your doubt in the comment box. If you have any doubt in any sum, whatever board, whatever subject maths lessons you have, so you can share your doubt in the comment box. I will clear your doubt. And if you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.